This tutorial will show the basic operation of the Frameworks Plus SAP 2000 interface, which allows a structural model created in Frameworks to be exported to SAP 2000 for analysis and design. Any section changes made in SAP 2000 may be imported back into Frameworks, and the model will be updated. Here we have created a simple two-story steel industrial structure in Frameworks, using wide flange and angle sections. We have also previously assigned loads, such as this distributed dead load. As well as defined 3 load cases: dead, live, and static earthquake. Next, we activate the SAP 2000 interface through the Frameworks File Analysis command. This causes the SAP 2000 master menu bar to appear. Using the export command, we can export the geometry and loads from our Frameworks model to SAP 2000. We will give our binary interface files the prefix FWP_SAP. And we'll specify that the files be created using the same units as the Frameworks model. We will also request that the loads be included. Prior to importing the model into SAP 2000, you must also create a section property file. The Frameworks model was created using the AISC sections. We will select the AISC library. And since we know that the model has only wide flange and angle members, we will set the filter to include just these types of sections. A property file has been created with 492 sections. We are now ready to start SAP 2000. With SAP 2000 running, we can now import the Frameworks model. We do this by going to the File, Import, Frameworks Plus File command. Here we specify the name of the model file to open, in this case FWP_SAP, as well as the name of the section property file that SAP 2000 should use. When we click on the Open button, the program tells us that a model has been imported from Frameworks. Clicking on the OK displays the model. The first thing we will do is switch to a 3D view. Because the model was imported with both the geometry and loads complete, we can go directly to the Run Analysis command. Note that the 3 analysis cases match the load cases developed in Frameworks. When SAP 2000 is done with the analysis, the display shape for the dead load case is displayed. We can display the deformed shapes for the other cases as well, including the earthquake case. And we can animate any of the deformed shapes. We can also display the forces in the members. Such as moments. After the analysis has been reviewed, we are ready to run the design phase. To do this, we go to the Design, Steel Frame Design, Start Design command. At the completion of the design, stress ratios are displayed on the members. Note that N/C for not calculated is shown on the bracing members. A right-click on a bracing member brings up a stress check information form, and a click on the Details button shows us that the stress ratios were not displayed because the KL/R for the angle braces exceeds 200. We will illustrate how to correct this problem by revising the section assignment to the brace. We start by unlocking the model, which is required in order to make any changes. Next, we select the brace object and go to the Assign Frame Sections command. We will replace the 8x4 angle with the W8x24 section. Rerun the analysis with the new section, and then go to the Start Design command. We can see that a stress ratio has now been calculated for the revised brace section. Because we have changed one or more of the section assignments, we will export our SAP2000 model to Frameworks so that the Frameworks model can be updated with the section changes. We are now ready to leave SAP2000 and update the Frameworks model. With Frameworks running and the original model loaded, note that the brace shows as the original 8x4 angle. To update the sections, go to the SAP2000 Master menu bar and select the Import command. On the Import section Changes form, specify the name of the file exported by SAP2000 and click on the Import SAP2000 Section Changes button. Note that the brace has changed to the W8x24 assigned in SAP2000. If we select the brace member and then go to the Frameworks Review Element command, we can see that the change shows up in the attributes of the element. This concludes this tutorial.